there's nothing called star. क्योंकि आज है कल नहीं है. फ्लॉप चल रहे तो चल ही रहे. 14 फ्लॉप एक साथ मारते हैं. हिट है तो मैंने करीबन 12 फिल्में हिट मारी एक साथ. I wasn't there in फूलों कांटे. तो I was getting ready कि सुबह शूटिंग है. रात को फोन आया था, आप बताना कोई और आ रहा है.
Nepotism?
No. When you break in a relationship, you feel like giving galis. He's so and so. He's that. This that. I've also done wrong. You have also done wrong. It goes on. 8/10 तस्वीर बहुत ही. लेकिन किसने देखा?
Right.
मैं क्या करूँ उसका भी? Today I will be a retired model somewhere.
Ajay, what do you do in that movie?
रणबीर कपूर. I'm throwing flowers. I'm throwing flowers at रणबीर कपूर.
તાજા સમાચાર તમારી ભાષામાં મેળવવા માટે ડાઉનલોડ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડેની એપ.
What could be common between Aamir Khan and Akshay Kumar? Of course, lots are common in the sense of you guys started around the same time. Both of you are top movie stars and have been for very, very, very long. But one interesting fact I came across was that you were supposed to be in Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar. That you had auditioned for that part. That you would have been Aamir's co-star in that film, and it didn't work out. Can you take us through that story?
So I went there. मैं गया हुआ था उधर and अपना screen test दिया मैंने for Deepak Tijori's role, and they didn't like it, and apparently I was crap, so they removed me.
Really?
Yeah,
So were you auditioning a lot around that time?
yeah. I auditioned with B.R. Chopra also, Ravi Chopra, with them, and Raj Sippy, Pramod Chakravarti. I assisted Jay Seth, the photographer, because I didn't have money to do my own portfolio, so I assisted with him on one condition, that one day he'll shoot my portfolio for me and make it for me.
The general estimation of the number of people who come.
Salim Aftab also I gave.
Salim Aftab,
He producer.
right?
You heard about him?
No.
सलीम आफ्ताब लोहा करके फिल्म बनाई
हाँ
थी
हाँ बिल्कुल.
और बहुत सारी फिल्में बनाई थी.
So usually बम्बई शहर में around 20,000 लोग आते हैं हिंदी फिल्मों में काम करने के लिए. And over the years, of course,
रोज
per year.
नो
That is-
ज्यादा आते हैं.
You're saying per day?
बॉम्बे सेंट्रल में करीबन 5,000 लोग रोज उतरते हैं. नॉर्थ से और साउथ से, ज्यादा करके नॉर्थ से, और करीबन 2,500-3 हजार वापस जाते हैं क्योंकि कुछ नहीं होता. सो दैट इज एक्चुअली द फिगर व्हिच हैपेंस इन बॉम्बे सेंट्रल में जाते हैं.
And they get out of Bombay Central. A lot of them go towards Lokhandwala, those areas.
The Lokhandwala is the hub.
The hub, yeah. They all hang around in CCD, in Barista. Was the scene very similar when you were starting out? Was there like a CCD equivalent जहाँ सब लोग बैठते हैं, they discuss scripts कि यार कोई मुझे देख ले.
Script, that time there was nothing called script.
हाँ.
But yes, there was something called Bon Bon. Have you heard about it?
Yes, in Andheri.
There is 7 bungalows.
Right.
जूते की दुकान है.
हाँ.
तो वहाँ सब इकट्ठे होते थे. और इकट्ठे भी कौन होते थे? Strugglers with fight masters.
Okay.
So we used to sit there, talk about it. So fight masters used to take us to meet some producer or directors. So because every film had fights. I think after every 8 to 10 seat there was a fight. If you see those films earlier, so it used to be full of fights and fights and fight. यहाँ तक कि मैंने तो कितने प्रोड्यूसर को ये भी, डायरेक्टर को ये भी सुना बोल रहे कि जब फिल्म के स्क्रिप्ट में, स्क्रीन प्ले में ढलान है तो एक फाइट डाल दो तो ऊपर आ जाएगी.
Why outside of shoe store though?
बिकॉज उसके बाजू में खाने की दुकान थी, वो थे कबाब की दुकान. सो ऑल सारे पंजाबी फाइट मास्टर रहते थे, तो वहाँ कबाब शबाब खाए. दैट वाज एक्चुअली, बट बिकॉज दैट वो जो खाने की दुकान थी उसका नाम वाज नॉट इजीली प्रोनाउंस, एंड बॉन बॉन वाज चले बॉन बॉन तो मिलेंगे. Was that is why it was उधर ही मतलब.
Another really fascinating thing I came across, Akshay, and this has to do with your name. Okay, a lot of conversation happened on why you decided to take up the name, but there was a film called Aaj that you worked in, made by Mahesh Bhatt, if I'm not mistaken. You were supposed to be an action person, a stunt person in the film.
Is that correct? I'm just a martial art teacher.
You're a martial arts teacher, and when you actually saw the film, your role was snipped to about 7 seconds. Is that correct?
No, it was always this much.
It was always this shot.
Always, I shot for 7 seconds. With
Right. And then you realize that the hero of that film is called Akshay.
Right.
So you should call yourself Akshay as well.
Yeah.
Is that really the story?
Yeah, that is the story. That is the story. The guy was Kumar Gaurav was the hero. So he was called Akshay, and I don't know why I changed my. Not that my name was bad. I mean, my name is Rajiv, and Rajiv is a very good name.
Yeah.
But I don't know. पता नहीं कभी-कभी होता है दिमाग में ऐसे कोई छा जाती है बात, and I just wanted to go and change my name. So I actually went to Bandra East to the court and I changed my name.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I have a full certificate that I changed my name.
So, and on one particular day, you decided that you're going to have a card, a visiting card,
Yes.
with Akshay Bhatia on it.
Yellow and white color card. कहीं ना कहीं पढ़ा होगा. Yellow and white color. I still remember it. अपना नाम लिख के एड्रेस लिख के बाकी तो कुछ और था ही नहीं. Like yeah, just a black belt written there, and that's it.
And your life changed on that day.
Right. So there's a huge story behind it. You want me to say that?
Yeah, of course.
The first morning I was supposed to get up in the morning and start my workout, and in the evening I was supposed to go to Bangalore at 6 o'clock flight. I had this मतलब ये मुझे क्या कहते हैं एक modeling assignment मिली हुई थी Bangalore में, and 5:10 I got a call from the airport. The agency guy called me up. कि where are you? I said मैं तो घर पे हूँ. You know, it's unprofessional people like you that you know this. You'll never succeed in your life. I can guarantee you. ऐसे क्या हुआ? अरे तुम यार तुमको इधर आना था. ये बात ये हुआ था कि मैं समझा कि शाम की फ्लाइट है. वो एक्चुअली सुबह 6 बजे की फ्लाइट थी. तो आई एक्चुअली वो इन टीयर्स आई वाज टेलिंग हिम कि यार मैं अब भी आता हूँ. मैं भाग के आता हूँ. मोटरसाइकिल पे आता हूँ. छोड़ दूंगा. And so, but unfortunately, they didn't agree because obviously they were also right, and they had to catch a flight, and then they went away. And उसी दिन मेरा कार्ड भी आ गया छप के, and I was very मतलब एकदम low था मैं. And my father had gone to work. He was working in United Nations, and my mother was there, so I was talking to her for while she knew what has happened. And so you know, Punjabi mother, that one typical line, every mother sees that line in their own language. पुत्र कोई गल नहीं, जो ਹੁੰਦਾ है रब ठीक करदा है. Everything, whatever happens for good only. So for me that line was, I've heard it many times from my mother, so it was okay, ठीक है यार. So I remember going to Natraj studio, and there I met this Pramod Chakravarti's company's makeup man. And he told me hero बनना है. बोला हाँ बनना है यार. तो लाओ फोटो है. So that time we used to travel with such big photographs.
Album.
Such big album भी नहीं. बक्सा खोलो उसके अंदर इतनी बड़ी तस्वीरें रखी होती थी. Because the producers and directors would not want to see in a small thing. They would like to want to see. Yeah, I don't know what they were seeing, your pores, or I don't know what they were seeing. But they wanted to see everything very closely. So I said, love to wear with this. And then he took it inside, and Pramod Chakravarti Saab saw it, and then I was called inside. And to my surprise, he gave me my first check. He signed me for 3 films immediately. Not anything. Not
Just looking at your face. Just looking at the picture.
Nothing. He gave me a check of 5,000 rupees. First film was 50,000 rupees I signed. Second film, it was written 1 lakh rupee. Third film was 1.5 lakh.
Wow.
So, and the check, the time he gave me the check was 6 o'clock in the evening. So, it's actually the fact that whatever happens for good.
That's exactly the time you were taking a flight out. Right.
I always think, I mean, say it would have been a disaster if I would have gone to Bangalore. Then today I will be a retired model somewhere.
So basically, with that evening, what happened was that you got a film. If I'm not mistaken, that was Deedar. There was also supposed to be Karishma Kapoor's first film. Is that correct?
Actually, Nagma gave the screen test first.
Okay.
So Nagma gave it, then Karishma gave it, then Karishma was taken.
Right. And that would have been your first film, but it was not your first release.
No.
And that was a romantic film.
Yes, Deedar is a
So you were going to start out as a romantic hero, not the action star that you became.
But it had lots of fights.
The fights.
As I told
जब भी
you,
dip हो रहा है,
जब भी dip हो रहा है, 10 मिनट में ऊपर उठाना है.
So you start with Deedar. I mean that's the first film that you start working on. But the one that turned you into the person that we knew you for the longest in the 90s was Khiladi. Would that be correct?
Yeah.
Because you were called Khiladi after that.
Right.
Your name became Khiladi. Is there a moment in your life, Akshay, that you can remember when you felt like, "Ki boss, now I'm a star"? Was there a moment maybe you were walking somewhere, someone said hi to you, or took your autograph, or like one of the things that happens in Bollywood, and correct me if I'm mistaken, is you actually become a true star when you have a name attached to you. So Amitabh Bachchan is Shahenshah, or Shah Rukh Khan is Badshah or King Khan. They called you Khiladi because that became your name. Do you think that was a moment where you felt like you become a star?
I have this habit of listening to a lot of people's stories. Like मुझे आदत है, कोई अगर बता रहा होगा कि राजेंद्र कुमार के साथ ऐसा हुआ था, सुनील दत्त साहब के साथ ऐसा हुआ था, राजेश खन्ना जी के साथ ऐसा हुआ था, कोई प्रोड्यूसर का नाम लेके बताते हैं, मैं ये कहानियां सुनता हूँ और ये असली कहानियां होती हैं और ये कहानियां पता नहीं, आई लर्न फ्रॉम देयर एक्सपीरियंस एंड द फैक्ट रिमेन्स देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड स्टार, क्योंकि आज है कल नहीं है, ये मैं बहुत जल्द ही सीख गया था. सो आई नेवर टुक द स्टारडम वेरी सीरियसली. हाँ, खिलाड़ी विलाड़ी बुलाते हैं, वो आज भी बुलाते हैं. आज अगर मैं और 15 साल इस इंडस्ट्री में टिका और मैंने कोई खिलाड़ी फिल्म नहीं बनाई, आज अभी भी बाहर जब जाऊंगा तो खिलाड़ी ही वैसे ही बुलाते हैं, और पता नहीं 50 फिल्म कर लूं, कोई उसका वो नाम हटेगा ही नहीं. बट आई हैव नेवर टेकन as a star thing very seriously because I am very scared because this is going to go. I have even heard stories without taking names. I have heard stories of people going mental when the star thing, you just take it so seriously, and when things starts falling, because this industry is a very, मतलब मैं समझता हूँ जितना भी मैं एक्सपीरियंस कर चुका हूँ कि बहुत डेडली है, ये कभी भी गिरा सकती है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. और बैठे बैठे मतलब don't be too serious about it. I learned a lot from Danny Denzopa. He's a one guy I always would like to have my life like him, who's never taken his stardom very seriously. He has his own very straight life. He has his small company where he gets money, his beer thing he does.
That's right.
And then he
don't drink, but it's a great beer though.
Yeah, I've never drank that. But, I would like to have a small company where मतलब जो पैसा आते रहे. फिर 3 महीने वो जब गर्मी होती है काम नहीं करेंगे, ठंड में कोई काम होगा तो वहां चलेंगे
सिक्किम,
मतलब कहीं भी. 2 महीने के लिए वो goes alone and he's taken his flute and he's singing. He goes and swims in lakes. He spent the life, and he has great life with his family, and a man, I would say, a man without any stress. So I look at him and I say I want a life like him. So I try to, you can say easily, I ape him. I just try to copy what kind of, I follow him.
Right.
I know nobody would take Danny Denzopa's name, but
no, fair enough. I mean, I didn't know that that's your idol. That's amazing.
As a life.
Sure. Not as a professional, because as a professional, there are very few people who've been as competitive as you've been. I mean, you take your holidays, but you make sure that you do 4 films a year. You make sure that a lot of those films have new successes.
I don't make sure. It just happens.
It just happens?
It is not a science. I fail to understand why are people thinking that 4 films, अरे यार तू 4 फिल्म कर कैसे लेते हो? कैसे नहीं कर सकते यार? 32 से 38 दिन लगते हैं एक फिल्म करने के लिए. 38 डेज में फिल्म खत्म हो जाती है, तो 38 into 4 भैया. बैठा कहानी सुन
मेरा जर्नलिस्ट हमारे मैच इतनी थोड़ी कमजोर है।
40 में से कर ले 40 हाँ
152
तो 152 365 डेज में 152 डेज और वो सारे दिन ऐश है, बाकी 10-10 दिन आप उसमें डाल दो जो पब्लिसिटी प्रोमोज होते हैं, उसमें डाल दो, बाकी आप ऐड करो, घूमो फिरो।
कि आपने जितने हाईज एंड लोज देखे हैं, very few actors have actually seen it in the same way that you could have like a string of hits and then a string of flops and a string of hits, and that's been your career. That's how you can graph your career in its own way. When you're doing a film, and now you've done so many films, you've lost count yourself. So when you've done that many movies, clearly you have a fair sense of ये चलेगी कि नहीं चलेगी, or do you not? बिल्कुल नहीं, no idea.
किसी का बाप नहीं बता सकता, किसी का बाप नहीं बता सकता। I challenge anybody who can say कि चलेगी कि नहीं।
Absolutely not.
बिल्कुल नहीं।
So are you still stunned by कि यार इतनी चल गई, or are you still stunned by कि नहीं चली? Does it shock you sometimes?
मैं इतना बता सकता हूँ कि ये फिल्म नाम अच्छा देगी, लेकिन ये नहीं बता सकता कि ये चलेगी कि नहीं, बिजनेस कितना करेगी।
By now you would have an instinct ना यार कि इसका इतना ही business हो सकता है. I mean, I'm sure you do. I mean, that's how you calculate. That's how you budget your films. You make sure that it doesn't go a certain level. No?
ओके तेरी बात मान लेता हूँ। मैंने अभी गोलमाल रिलीज हुई थी,
हाँ।
सो आई बेटेड 2 लाख रुपीस
हाँ.
कि 200 होगा।
In fact, that's another interesting relationship that you have is with Ajay Devgan. उनकी जो पहली जो फिल्म थी, that was going to be your film. Is that correct? Can you tell us that story?
So I wasn't there in Phoolo Kaante.
Hmm.
I have also sat on जितने भी गाने बने थे नदीम श्रवण के साथ, I have sat on the sitting ऐसा and हारमोनियम बजा रहे हैं, I'm listening. I've even gone for photo shoot of the
Of the film.
Oh no, of the Sunny Super Sound में गाने हुए थे, you know, and तब तो वो गाने के लिए करीबन 35 से 40 वायलिन गाइस, दिस गाय, पहले सब कुछ अलग ही होता था, ऑर्केस्ट्रा अलग ही होता था। अब तो वो एक पियानो ले आते तो चलो जी आ जाओ,
हाँ.
अब तो हम सारा कुछ आज ही कर लेंगे।
Right.
So I've done even that, and रात को मैं अपना आइस बॉक्स रेडी कर रहा हूँ, तब तो बॉय भी नहीं होता, तो आइस बॉक्स खुद ही रेडी करते थे, पानी डालना, बर्फ डालना, ये सारा कुछ रेडी हो रहा है। तो आई वाज गेटिंग रेडी कि सुबह शूटिंग में, रात को फोन आया था, भैया आप मत आना आप मत आना, कोई और आ रहा है।
Yeah. Nepotism?
नहीं,
Huh?
not because of
No?
no.
It's just.
It just see that time I said.
Did he also pose with 2 bikes?
No, no,
No, that was added later
No.
in the film.
no, that was there in the film, but that was there.
Right.
I was doing then लेकिन उसी दौरान मुझे खिलाड़ी मिली,
Hmm.
so I met उसके कुछ दिनों बाद में I met Abbas Mustan at Juhu Centaur, and I got खिलाड़ी that time.
And I was watching an interview of yours from 2008, if I'm not mistaken, when Garam Masala came out. तब तक आप कह रहे थे कि आप प्रोड्यूसर नहीं बनेंगे, that you have no intentions of doing anything but to remain an actor, no intentions of directing, obviously, and certainly not producing. By then, you had distributed one film, that was Waqt, if I'm not mistaken. From then till now, you're a pretty active producer. In fact, सबसे active producer is Waqt. Must be you. Of course, you co-produce. What made that change?
अभी कोई प्रोड्यूसर आता है, मुझे पूछता है कि भैया मैं प्रोड्यूस करना चाहता हूँ, आप कितना पैसा दोगे? I don't know what to charge, because actually nobody can come to know what to charge. The best way would be कि मैं फिल्म बनाता हूँ, I don't charge anything, and when the film releases, whatever the earnings are, I take it. I take the whole thing.
You take the whole thing.
Because I'm producing it. पैसे तो मेरे ही हैं.
हाँ.
Unless until अगर आप पैसे लगा रहे हो, so
then I'll have to pay your fee.
a little bit. No, not my fee. Yeah, I have to pay you. You're putting money in. So in this, what happens is there's nothing called flop.
Are you good with money? Otherwise?
Yeah, I'm very good.
Yeah.
My father was an accountant.
Right.
I can calculate money fast.
Does money interest you a lot?
Always.
Does money interest you a lot?
No, to a certain extent, yes. See, now earlier I made films. I used to work films for money, but now I don't. Now I want to make films which makes difference to society. That's why you'll see my choices of films have changed. I don't look at yes. When I entered the industry, it was a pure thing. Paisa kamao, ghar deo. It's a very simple thing. And that time I just wanted that I would like to have 10 crores in my bank because I had calculated interest इतना मिलेगा लाइफ आराम से चल जाएगी. फिर वो 10 करोड़ एक दिन दिमाग में कहता नहीं क्या हुआ तो 100 करोड़ का मन किया. वो 100 करोड़ बनाने का फिर मन किया यार अब ऊपर आगे तो वो एक है कैलकुलेशन. लेकिन अब वो कैलकुलेशन बंद हो गई है. वो जो दैट वायर व्हिच वाज देयर इन माय हेड हैज बीन कट ऑफ. Now my calculation is different. My calculation is what next.
Because there's a lot of people who lashed out against you in those interviews. They're crazy interviews, actually, some of them. And not a word from you, though. You never gave a retraction or a clarification or a counter interview, even once.
And now they're one of my best friends.
They're your best friends, right?
So that's okay. See, that happens when you break in a relationship. You feel like giving galis. He's so and so. He's that. This that. And then after 1 or 2 years later, you realize that it happens.
Right.
I've also done wrong. You have also done wrong. It goes on.
Right.
It's all right.
No hard feelings?
Never. Never. There's nothing.
So you were asked this question, but whether you find it easier to work in a very hardcore commercial film where you are the superstar rather than a film which is directed by Nagesh, which is a psychological thriller. You said it's harder because you have to submit yourself completely to the director. Like a director saying, don't go overboard, keep it low, keep it, keep the tone a little lower, which is something that you adapt to rather than something that you're used to. Is that correct for movies that you're doing now?
Well, you have to maintain a balance between you have to first see before you start the film. I sit with my director. I have to bring a little bit commerciality in whatever kind of what the films I'm doing.
Right.
You have to sit with the director and try to explain that the audience which is going to come, they need a little bit louder things. You cannot be subtle all.
Right.
I have tried the subtlety also. When I did 8/10, 4/2 नहीं आए थे देखने. So you have to have a little bit. I did. बहुत subtle किया था मैंने. Everything was very subtle. But then it went down from subtlety only. It went down. Nothing happened only. So I still remember a lot of the people I meet in London. Also, I have few friends. They're best film. 8/10 तस्वीर बहुत अच्छी फिल्म. लेकिन किसने देखा?
Right.
मैं क्या करूँ उसका भी? So I have to bring. You have to make that kind of film, but you have to maintain your notch of acting or what do you say? क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Entertainment value. You have to bring it a little bit up.
Masala.
Little bit up. You don't have to go like a house full.
Right.
You don't have to. You have to come lower.
Right.
So that's what.
And music also. Do you think music plays a big part? I didn't know that you had a bank of about 150, 200 songs.
Who told you this?
You said it in an interview.
Did I?
Yes. Oh. I have documentary proof for everything I'm asking.
No, absolutely. No. I must have confessed quite a lot in front of you then. Yes, I do have about 200, 300 songs.
Wow.
I just keep it. And I've been doing this since my Mora time. I used to, that time I didn't have money to keep it, but I used to remember and I used to tell him, ये गाना सुन अच्छा है, उससे ले ले. अभी तो I buy it myself.
So the songs that we hear in your films are ones from your bank, or you're still looking up?
Lots.
Yeah.
Lots of them.
Which is your favorite from your bank that we've heard already?
गब्बर के काफी गाने मेरे थे. Which I had taken. And
Airlift?
Airlift का 1-2 गाना था. Many हैं sir. Even now टॉयलेट के भी गाने हैं. हंस मत पगली प्यार हो जाएगा.
So that is a song that you kept for many years.
Not many years.
Okay.
6-7 महीने पहले पुराना गाना था वो.
Right.
नया लड़का है वो जिसने किया था गाना. So ऐसे आते रहते हैं. बहुत है यार, बहुत टैलेंट है लड़कों में. लड़का लड़कियों में बहुत
So they just send you by email or do you meet them somewhere?
नहीं,
How does
कोई
it work?
सुना देता है तो कोई
CD देता है।
ईमेल वीमेल नहीं, बोला
हाँ।
सीडी दे दे,
Hmm.
सुन लिया करूंगा गाड़ी में। अब ईमेल खोलने से रहा नहीं, अब ईमेल खोलूंगा फिर कान में वो डालूंगा, इससे अच्छा गाड़ी में चला लूंगा।
Right.
Yeah, speaking of airlift, firstly, I wanted to thank you for actually making the film.
Thank you.
What inspired you to bring that story out after 25 years? Like,
Well,
what
not
appealed
25.
to you?
I came to know myself about it. Let me honestly tell you, the media also didn't know about this. Nobody knew about it कि यार 1,70,000 इंडियंस को एयर इंडिया ने या इंडियन एयरफोर्स ने वहां से निकाला था। किसी को नहीं मालूम था, मुझे खुद नहीं मालूम था कि किसी मीडिया वाले को कोई लेने आता था इंटरव्यू, तो उसको भी नहीं पता था। I think Air India people themselves had forgotten about it. So nobody knew it.
True, that.
So I heard about it. I liked it. Now I can say everybody knows about our history. That 1,70,000 people. Whether आप कॉलेज में चले जाओ, किसी में भी चले जाओ, कि बच्चों को पूछ लो, सबने फिल्म देखी हुई है, सबको मालूम है ऐसा हुआ था। I personally feel ऐसी ऐसी चीजों पे अगर हम फिल्में बनाएं और लोगों को बताएं तो सब याद रहता है। अब जैसे भाग मिल्खा भाग है, now everybody knows, भले उसमें थोड़ा कमर्शियलिटी करके बनाया गया है, but now everybody knows about it. So even Toilet, when I made it, it's a real story. It's about that boy and girl. They stay in Bihar, and this is what happened.
Like, I was working in a company where we bunked and went to watch Hera Pheri.
Okay.
We didn't expect it to be a laugh riot. We just expected कि आज मूवी देखनी है, मेट्रो जाते हैं। So we went there and हमारी कंपनी के वाइस प्रेसिडेंट भी वहाँ बैठे हुए थे छुट्टी मार के। Obviously he was the VP, हम बेचारे छोटे लोग थे काम करने वाले। So next day the 4 of us got suspended. हमने फिर जाके फिल्म देखी। उसके बाद VP को रियलाइज हुआ कि ये लोग कुछ करने वाले हैं। फिर तीसरे दिन हमारी पगार कटी।
Oh.
But कोई गम नहीं।
मैं आपको बताऊं कि आप लोगों की वजह से ही ये फिल्म इंडस्ट्री चल रही है।
But कोई गम नहीं।
ऐसे 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 लोगों की वजह से चलती है, ना कि बहुत ज्यादा समझदार लोगों से चलती है। आपको एक बात बताऊं, ये जब हमारे पास पैसे भी नहीं थे तभी भी ऐसा ही था हाल। हम सुबह का खाना नहीं खाते थे, तो वो पैसे बचा के हम शाम को खाते थे। सो दैट इज द क्रेजीनेस ऑफ मूवीज।
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડે. બેલ આઇકોન પર ક્લિક કરીને મેળવો તમામ વિડીયોના ડાયરેક્ટ નોટિફિકેશન.